Morning guys, we're at Devonport. Stayed here last night from Cradle Mountain. Pretty awesome place. And video 2 of our Tassy trip. We're going down to Bays of Fire, but also stopping along the way with some cool towns and show you guys some viewpoints of what Tassie looks like in the road trip. So, road trip montage starts. We are in the Bay of Fires in Bindalong Bay. They're called Bay of Fires because the rock's red. Why are the rocks red? I don't know. What do you guys think of the Bay of Fires?
It's beautiful.
That's a good review by Olivia. It's a good review. So we are now in the East Coast of Tasmania, driving down the Coast Drive. And we'll end at Coles Bay tonight. For accommodation, tomorrow will be Freycinet. But yeah, this is really amazing.